How we came to be standard 5th environmental study. Lesson number 9, settled life and urban civilization. In last video we learned about 9.1 uses of metals. In this video we are going to learn about 9.2 pots made on the potter's wheel and 9.3 trade and transport. To make it easy to turn the pot while shaping it, a rotating plank was probably used at first. The pot was shaped with one hand, while the other was used to turn the plank. It is possible that the potter's wheel originated in the efforts to modify the rotating plank. Till recent times, tribal women in the northeastern regions of our country shape the pots by using a rotating plank. A pointed quartz pebble fixed at the bottom of the potter's wheel. This pebble is known as a pivot. When the potter's wheel is put in motion, it is balanced on this pivot and revolves with a great speed. A potter in ancient Egypt working on a rotating plank or turntable. 9.2 Pots made on the potter's wheel. The Copper Age was the age of many new inventions and rapid changes. The invention of the wheel is the most important among them. It is generally agreed that the wheel was first used by potters. It used in carts and chariots, probably began to little later. 9.3 Trade and transport. Once the potters began to use a wheel, it became possible to make pots in large numbers. In this period, people started making symmetrical and colorful pots with beautiful designs on them. Potters and other craftsmen began to live close to each other in the village settlement so as to manage their work more easily. We can say that this became the industrial areas of that village, where skilled craftsmen had their settlement and centers of production. This happened mainly in those village settlements where the raw material was easily available and in those which were conventionally situated for trade. Such village settlement expanded rapidly. As the scale of production increased, trade to expanded with it. Therefore, there was a need to change the old system of transport. It was in this period that wheeled vehicles like carts and chariots were first brought into use.